So in this video we will try to find the relationship between small signal RE model, RPi model and transconductance of BJT. So first of all, see this. This is the small RE model. So this is your base terminal, this is the collector terminal, this is the emitter terminal. The resistance, emitter resistance is represented as R small e, and this is the emitter resistance. The collector current IC equal to beta IV. It is represented as current dependent current source. This is your current IB. So remember this. This is the small signal RE model. So obviously this current will be IE, and IE is given as 1 plus beta IB. So this is emitter current equal to 1 plus beta into the base current. This is the input resistance of the transistor Ri. So Ri will be equal to VBE, the voltage between base and emitter, because base and emitter are the input terminals of the transistor. So VBE, and the input current is IB. So the input resistance is VBE upon IB. Okay, so we are discussing for common emitter. Then this is the RPi model. This is the RPi model. So in the RPi model, first see this VBE. VBE will be equal to 1 plus beta IB into RE, the current flowing through the emitter multiplied by the emitter resistance RE. So 1 plus beta IB into RE. So VBE upon IB equal to RI, which is equal to 1 plus beta into RE. So this is called as RPi. 1 plus beta into RE is called as RPi. So this is the RPi model. So as you can see, this is your RPi model. So this is resistance RPi, because this is current IB, this is the base current IB. So VBE equal to IB into RPi. So VBE equal to IB into RPi, RE into 1 plus beta. So this is the small signal RPi model. This is the emitter terminal. Then this is your collector terminal. Again, the collector current is represented as current dependent current source beta IB. So this is the small signal RPi model. So remember these two models. So now we will try to find the relationship for transconductance. So collector current IC, it will be approximately equal to the emitter current IE, because base current is generally very small. So the equation for emitter current is I naught e to the power VB upon eta VT minus 1. This is the equation for diode current, because base and emitter terminal can be think of like a diode. So VBE is the voltage between base to emitter upon eta VT. This is simply the equation for diode current. So now this exponential term is much greater than this 1. So this 1 can be neglected, minus 1 can be neglected. So IC equal to I naught e to the power VB upon eta VT. Then the transconductance is given as delta IC upon delta VBE, the partial differentiation of collector current with respect to the base to emitter voltage. So if we differentiate it, we get I naught e to the power VB upon eta VT upon VT. So neta is obviously equal to 1 for silicon. Neta is equal to 1 for silicon. So this I naught e to the power VB upon eta VT is equal to IC. So IC upon VT. So GM is equal to IC upon VT. So GM equal to IC upon VT, approximately equal to IE upon VT. And VT upon IE, this neta is approximately 1, so this can be removed. This is the emitter AC resistance. This is the emitter AC resistance RE. So GM is equal to 1 upon RE. And from this equation we can say 1 plus beta RE. So 1 plus beta can approximately be equal to beta, because beta is much greater than 1. So R pi is equal to beta Re. R pi is equal to beta Re. So putting value R pi equal to beta Re. So and Gm equal to 1 upon Re. So R pi equal to beta upon Gm, or we can say beta equal to Gm R pi. Then IC equal to beta IB and beta equal to Gm R pi. So Gm R pi into IB, and R pi into IB is nothing but VBE. From this equation you can see VBE equal to IB into R pi. So Gm VBE, this is the expression for the collector current IC. So these are the relationships between the small signal RE model parameters and the R pi model parameters and the transconductance parameter of the BJT. So I hope this video was clear to you. So in the future questions that we will solve, we will use these relations. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.